It is on that note that I want to invite him. I will come back to close politically.
We have an oxygen plant which was commissioned in 2020. We produce enough oxygen for this hospital, for this region, and oftentimes beyond this region. We rarely go up to the capacity, which is 1,500. We usually are between 600, 400, 500 and 600. But our capacity is 1,500. For the record, we have had Yumbe Hospital collecting oxygen. We've had the Kamuli Hospital collecting oxygen. When the Jinja Hospital was running in surgical camp, we served all the oxygen that was needed for the heart campaign. So, for some people to tell such a big lie, we just have to pray that they see them. We're telling the community of how many people whom we have had to ease out of here of extortion. The police, the business. We just want to continue investigating this if only the community actually has this information to us on time, not wait for the Prime Minister to come. We are here. We conduct 40 to 60 transfusions a day. If it was that much, the world would be in an uproar. But even that one element, if it is identified, please. Don't leave out. We have a few challenges.
Say them.
Honorable Prime Minister, we missed out on the CT scan. All regional hospitals received. And the wage that they have still puts us far below the national average. I don't have to mention the figures. But I want to thank His Excellency the President for the wage increase. And
we want to proceed to convey our appreciation to His Excellency the President, who allowed this facility to be here. And the regional father hospital. Yes. What we need to appreciate is that the population of Uganda is growing very fast. We all know the population in Uganda. We have a huge young population because we wasted a lot of time. Imagine how much time has been wasted on a life. Although it has been an opportunity as well, like the other said, but we have wasted a lot of time. So many people had to give up certain other activity to come here. Therefore, there is a big loss, a huge opportunity cost. They had to forego certain things. The doctors here will be operating such patients. Actually, just imagine how many, health workers are here. So time wasted because of lives.
We appreciate that this is the regional hospital. You only get referrals, maybe apart from people of Kayunga. So I will inform the president on Monday, and I'm also going to write a report that Mukono needs urgent attention. Despite the fact that their MPs are not burdened. For them, they are now, I think, agitating for change of government, which is not going to take place by now. For a statement, Menya Oche Yayogera, Bamuita Mwesigwa, Yatideo Wano, Asigate Mukono, Ajewana police statement, Yetodere president. Yetodere Kayunga. The president, they said here you have to pay for blood transfusion. And they said sometimes your doctors and experienced doctors, of course here it's a quarrel, we expect experienced doctors, that here surgery is done by turns. Because experienced doctors require money. I don't know whether it is you to talk about this. And they also told me that OPD is always closed over the weekends.
To wrap up all protocol so that we can't lose a distance.
This is what they appreciate. Now, from that experience, when I came back to Maria, I raised this stone that we must have.
During COVID-19, I was then a minister of health. We lost so many people.
In the 14 regions. We still have 3 more hospitals which have not gotten CT scan. Kayunga, Naguru, greetings from Minister of Health, from Dr. General Cheng, who happens to be in here today, representing our country, and Dr. Diana Fini requested that.
You have given it to me. So which means people here access drugs.
I want to share a copy of your report, your remarks to the Prime Minister, if you so wish. Yes, now we are now in.
Can you get a hospital, please, if you go to morning service?